What is going on, guys? It's been a while since I rode the Grom. Decided to get out and test out my 360 camera. Hopefully it shoots some pretty good footage. We shall see. Not going anywhere in particular, just out cruising around. Forgot to get my mirrors set. It's not too hot over here. What an asshole. Jesus. Man, but this Honda is so much fun. Every time you get on it, just brings a smile to your face. It's inexpensive. You get fantastic gas mileage. Of course, you know, I'm not doing anything crazy on it. You just enjoy cruising, so yeah, it's super fun. I'm really curious to see if this camera is gonna, you know, produce good quality image or footage. I haven't really used it yet, so I guess we're gonna find out. This is a way I take when I go to work. I'm gonna take the Grom. As you can see, I'm at 122.6 miles per gallon. I guess it went down. I was averaging around like 138. Here we go. Yeah, it's not too hot over here today. Feels good. Here we go, bro. That's what I'm talking about. People just don't pay attention, man. Jesus. It is really hard to think about things to say when you're riding, when normally, you know, I don't talk to myself when I'm riding, so it's hard to do this stuff. Killing my cruise, Jesus. Yep, just baking in the sun. Sheesh. So I bought a kryptonite chain. I think it's the 1016. That chain is 10 pounds. Had to buy me a little fender bag to put it in because I'm not going to carry that on my back. I use it to lock it up at work. How many of y'all take y'all's Groms to work every day? Let me know in the comments, because I've started to do it and been saving a lot of money on gas. Plus it's fun. I bought me a safety vest to wear on the way to work because it's pretty dark, leaving around 6 in the morning. Just have it on so people can see me. Seems like every weekend I have been doing something. I redid my flower bed, I bought me a new generator. It's been pretty productive. Man, putting down that flower bed, I did like a weed barrier and a new mulch. That kicked my butt. If y'all haven't, I would highly recommend getting some of these bar and mirrors. 10 times better. You can see behind you. You're not looking at your shoulders. I bought them off of Amazon, I think for $20. Super cheap and worth it. I like coming down here in this part of Houston, in the Heights. Everything is just a lot nicer. I'm just glad it doesn't feel so humid today. Like the breeze, the wind, it feels cool. It's not a warm air blasting you. Man, I'm sorry guys, I don't have a lot to talk about. Let's make a left down White Oak and call it a day. I had my first beer when I was 21 down here over at Onion Creek Cafe. Man, how time flies. Whenever I come this way, I like to cruise down by the bayou. It's not too curvy, but it's just fun to cruise down, so let's go ahead and take y'all. Here we go. That was so much fun. Alright y'all, just wanted to make a quick video, try out the new camera. Now I gotta get back home and do some editing and try and figure this stuff out. Well, I had fun. I'll see y'all again next time.